I just wanted to show everyone a short video on how simple it is to adjust the rear brakes on the Prado. So basically I've just set the car up and got the tools ready. Very simple, just need something to undo the wheel nuts and then those couple of small screwdrivers just to get into a spot which I'll show later. That will give you the adjustment for the handbrake. So just got the jack in place and have the front wheels chopped. Okay, don't need the car lifted up too high, and just really enough so that when you take the wheel off, you can actually spin the hub, and that's why I've got the little crowbar there for that. So I'll take the wheel off and I'll show you guys where the adjustment is. So, one step down up. I'll just take this off. Always use the tyre just as a bit of added protection, just in case. And if you come in here, basically what we'll be doing is inspecting through these holes here and lining that bottom section here with the adjuster that's internal. So I'll show that to you shortly. In the meantime, what I can do is I can actually show you guys that you can easily inspect the calipers and the actual brake pads from here. So they don't look too bad, they're pretty well worn. I mean, I do use it in the mud and the dirt, as you can see. So next I'll show you how to adjust the actual brakes themselves. Okay, so basically we've got the wheel off, got access to the adjustment and inspection hole for the handbrake. Anyway, so at the moment the hub's freewheeling. Okay, so I've got that lined up. I can see visually into that inspection hole. So there's a little screw in there that you can get your tip of your screwdriver on the little notches in there, and to tighten up the brake you've got to try and get the tip of that screwdriver onto the top edge of that internal adjuster nut. The action is you push in and scoop down, or you push in and scoop up to back it off. And I've just basically, I'm just going to back it off a couple of turns, and hopefully we'll get a bit of a freer spin on this hub. It's a bit hard to do it on my own to actually show you guys, but technically the important part is to actually get a good tip of the screwdriver into that adjusting screw, and it's a bit of a forward and scrape up, or a forward and scrape down, and you'll feel the adjustment screw, and you'll hear the pads actually moving in and out inside the hub there. So hopefully I can adjust this a bit more and show you guys inside how the handbrake goes, and I'll do the other side and that'll finish the job. On the left rear, as shown previously, I've changed over to the right rear, done the same technique. Again, we're basically getting the screwdriver and we're pushing in and down to tighten up the brake pads, and then once you get that tightness we're going in and flicking up, and that backs it off. And I've done two. Now I'm about to check the handbrake, so and take a look inside. So also note that I use the shift lock button to take the car out of gear while it's not running. And well, that handbrake's nice and tight, mate. You're lucky to get 3 clicks out of that, which I'm happy to have. To be honest with you, these handbrakes are shit anyway. get full of mud, they don't last long. So no doubt I'll be readjusting that again very soon. So I'll be popping this wheel back on. I'm happy with that. And as you say, it's not that hard, just needs a little bit of patience and a little bit of a feel for what's going on inside that hub there. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful, and look forward to talking to you guys again soon.